My name is Jason Fenton. I'm a freshman at the University of Utah. The restaurant I'm gonna be rating is gonna be Delicious Without. Yeah, so far I got me some potatoes, broccoli, some beef. Can't go wrong with beef. I also got me some pork. Normally on my potatoes, I add ranch. Trust me when I say I'm putting y'all boys on. Like the flavors are just like harmonious. Like nothing is like really too overpowering. The food was cooked to the appropriate level. What stands out here is definitely the potatoes and beef. Also, if you use Boost Mobile, you'll be able to get your food on time and on the go. Download Boost Mobile today.